Who's at the end of my street? Hey everybody, this is Caesar with SmallEngineVelocity, coming at you with another motovlog. But this time I'm going to go get some gasolina for my car. I am very concerned right now about this DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and my audio capabilities, because no matter what I do, it comes out clippy. So this is another position of the mic just to see how well it looks like it's going to work this time. When I open up the helmet, it seems to be okay. I mean, if I talk at a normal level or something like that, it clips every once in a while. It doesn't clip all the time. Anyways, that's not exactly the topic of today. Today's topic is the Honda Ruckus. So here's the thing. My brother has 2 extra frames now to build stuff out of, so I want to build something. Well, that's pending that he'll actually let me use one of the frames. He said I could, but I didn't ask him how he wanted me to build it. Like, did he want me to use one of his custom frames, or could I use a regular frame and modify it or something like that? But, like, I kind of wanted to get some ideas of how to build it. Since it's just a frame, more than likely I will not be able to make it a get again. So I thought maybe I should run it by everybody to see what kind of Ruckus I should build. Should I take a 125 Zuma motor and make it a 158 like this? Because I bet you if I stuck this motor inside that thing, it would rock. Like, it would seriously rock as far as speed goes. Then I thought maybe I should just go do the PCX route, but I think everybody else is doing a PCX route. But I'm not really super stuck on the idea of having to have Honda on Honda. I mean, I already have a Zuma, I already have a GY6 motor in there. Or should I build a 232? I really don't want to build a 232. Really don't. That sounds big and fast and all, but still, I mean, if it's anything like the one I have already, as far as power and speed goes, then, yeah, I don't want to have to deal with anything like that. So this car in front of me is the car that was parked at the end of my street, sitting in that empty house's parking lot. So he probably thinks that I sat in that parking lot waiting for him to take off before I went to go follow him. So I'm just gonna stay with him for a little bit. I'm actually headed to the grocery store to go look for some something to drink and some snacks and maybe a little bit of stuff to cook for lunch tomorrow for the kids to eat. But I'm hoping this mic position's good. But anyways, I also thought maybe I should save my money and then try to build an electric Ruckus, or we could call it an e-Ruckus, which sounds kind of stupid. I might as well call it an iRuckus, like an iPad or an iPhone or something like that, but still, an e-Ruckus sounds better. E-Ruckus sounds too much like erection. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of that that name that I've so chosen to choose to use so far, but yeah, maybe e-Ruckus would be cool. I mean, it's already been done. Someone's already made one, but how cool would it be if, there was a parts list for all this stuff and like a harness that got built and everything. So, occasionally she stalls out like that. I don't really know exactly why. I think it's when I flip the gas. You hear that pop when it's still kind of cold or something like that? It does that little and then dies. My assumption is that has something to do with what's it called? Like a backfire causing it to die. So, well, sometimes things die and you gotta just deal with it. I thought it had to do with my idol at one point in time, but it doesn't seem like it has anything to do with my idol. So, yeah. Well, let me go outside and grab some groceries real quick, and then maybe we'll finish off this conversation. See, that was quick. Let's see, what did I buy? Let me share with everyone. I got almond milk and 2 different flavors of lemonade, bananas and a Monster 4-pack, and some hamburger buns and some ice cream for my wife that I can't eat because I am not allowed to eat ice cream. It is deadly to my countenance. Oh shoot. My helmet's fogged up from the inside air conditioning. And it's fogged on the outside. So, what do you guys think? Oh, I forgot to put the gloves on. Oh well. Forgot to do the glovey gloves. So, have you guys got any ideas of what kind of interesting motor I should put in there? Like a 2-stroke? I mean, I have a 2-stroke that's available with the from the old Zuma Bug-Eye, the blue one that I never ever got around to finishing after I broke the head bolt. Then I don't know. I mean, I can always pick up something somewhere. I'd like it to be carbed, but EFI would work too. It's just when you get EFI, then you have to worry about the EFI fuel tank, right? You have to get a fuel tank that can do pressure and has a return line and all that stuff. And, you know, I don't know if I really want to get into all that as far as modifying something up to get it to work. But, I mean, I'm more than willing to try. Sure, you know. But I really think that the electric Ruck would be the coolest option. I mean, I don't know what kind of range I'm looking at. I don't know what kind of speed I'm looking at or anything like that, but, you know, to me it seems like an electric Ruck would be the way to go. I guess my section option would be like finding a Yamaha Zuma 125 and doing a BBK on it, and then from there putting it on the Ruckus or something like that, because I do know that this BBK, once you put it on here, it can create some crazy torque on there and get you some speed, right? So yeah, there we go. Those are the ideas. I'm kind of leaving it up to you guys. What do you think should be the next Ruckus build? I mean, it may not be anytime soon that I get to this Ruckus build, but you know, I'd like to see what other people think. And then if you have any ideas, then give me some options as to how to acquire this motor that I need to put on stuff. You know, where does it come from? Are they easily, readily available and stuff like that? Anyways, just a little bit of brainstorming. Wanted to see what everyone thought. This is just an extra video I'll probably throw out somewhere. So, anyways, let me know what's going on, and I will see everybody in the next video. Oh gosh, almost ran over my grass. My dead grass.